In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a captivating quote using Canva in just 5 minutes. Canva is an incredibly versatile design tool that allows you to create stunning visual content, which makes it perfect for designing quotes. So let's get started. First, navigate to canva.com and sign in using your credentials. You'll notice the login button conveniently located at the upper right corner of your screen. Canva offers several ways to log in, including Google, Facebook, or simply by using your email. Choose the method that works best for you and log into your Canva account. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to choose the project you want to work on. Canva has a user-friendly interface that makes it straightforward to find your projects. Whether you have a blank design in mind or you want to modify an existing template, make your selection and proceed to the design stage. Now look to the left panel of your screen and find the Text tab. Clicking on it will offer you multiple text options. For our purpose, select Add a Text Box. This is where your quote will come to life. You can type your quote directly into the text box, or if you've already drafted it elsewhere, simply paste it in. This flexibility allows you to work seamlessly whether you're crafting something new or adapting a previous piece of work. After entering your quote, it's time to get creative with formatting. Play around with the font, adjust the size, and pick the colors that best highlight the message of your quote. Canva provides an array of options, so feel free to experiment until your text looks just right. Remember, readability is key, so ensure the font and size you choose remain clear and easy to read. Now that your text is set, consider embellishing your design with images, icons, or other graphics. Canva's library is extensive and offers a wide variety of elements to choose from. You can also upload your own images if you have specific ones in mind. Adding these visual elements can enhance your quote design, giving it an extra layer of depth and engagement. After adding your graphics, the final touch is to choose a background. A simple color change can work wonders, or you might want to select an image that complements your quote. Make sure your background doesn't distract from the text, but instead accentuates the message you're trying to convey. And there you have it, your quote design is complete. With these straightforward steps, you can create a beautiful quote in Canva, perfect for sharing on social media, personal projects, or anywhere you want to inspire with words. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.